The way you can map out your business action plan is you can use two things. Number one, use a whiteboard. So, how I would use a whiteboard is you want to just go from Monday to Sunday or however way you want to do it. And for each day, you're going to write down what action step are you going to take in your business. Are you going to be taking one day to write out all your emails? Are you going to be taking one day to write out all your social media content? Or could it be that you're going to take one day to focus on creating videos? Whatever it might be, make sure you write it down on the whiteboard, right? What you're going to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on and so forth. Rinse and repeat that every single week, and you're going to find that you're going to be on top of your business. You're going to be more closer to where you want to be. And another thing is you can use a content journal as well. So let's say it's a new week, right? And you want to focus on what you're going to be doing for that week as far as content is concerned. Okay, so on Monday, what kind of content are you going to put out for Facebook? On Tuesday, what kind of email are you going to send out to your list? On Friday, what kind of video are you going to be shooting and what's the topic going to be? So in your content journal, you want to write down what you're going to be posting, what video you're going to be creating, what email you're going to be writing about. And when you use the whiteboard and you use a content journal, that's going to help you stay on top of things for your business so you can be closer to where you want to be.